What is computer? Computers are older machine which are now employed in energy walk of life. And all of us now understand that without their knowledge we will be handicapped in our life and in our career. The dictionary defines computer as electronic apparatus for analyzing or storing data, making calculations or controlling machinery. Computers are fast machines, no doubt, but similar to a newly recruited employee, the complete description of steps that need to be taken to solve a problem has to be programmed into it. For already made programs tested all the time, data feeding is important before they can give results out. But many programs need a lot of data to be fed into the computers before the reports or outputs can be taken. Computers are fast, but they do not do any magic. They can only process the data you have entered and given outputs of the processed values. Computers are fast machines which can process large amount of data and give outputs in various exhaustive and presentable forms. And all these computers does in much lesser time than a human being would take to do them.